Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonесoup.com and today I've got another healthy 5-ingredient recipe for you. Great, so when your peas are cooked we can get them off the heat, and then I'm just going to finish them. I've got some smoked salmon here, so I'm just going to shred that in big chunks. And I actually like to eat the skin, but you don't have to if you don't want to. And that's about 150 grams, so 5 ounces of salmon, but you can use less or more depending on how hungry you are. Then I've got a small handful of mint leaves that I've picked from the garden. I probably would use more mint leaves if I had them, but my mint supply is looking pretty low at the moment. So we'll just give that a stir through, and then I'm just going to finish with some beautiful salty feta. So if you enjoyed this recipe, really encourage you to come on over and visit my blog. It's thestonесoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, you get a free ebook filled with video recipes just like this one. Hope to see you soon.